I noticed my hair loss initially, I'd say around my mid-20s. I start to see a little diffusing, a little thinning, like a lot of my friends. And I thought I was taking control of it by just sleeping well, eating well, exercising, which are all basic fundamental building blocks for health and for your inside and outside of, right? Basically from that point on, I noticed that, you know, as my grandfather says, the only thing that stops your hair from falling is the floor. So I realized once the hairs got thinner and miniaturized and like lighter in color, they were pretty much going away, and a hair transplant would have been the best choice. So what I had was the internet. I started searching for hair transplant doctors. I found AlviArmani. I thought the website was beautiful. The before and after pictures were perfect. The thing with AlviArmani was I noticed the before and after pictures, the lighting was the same. So I didn't feel deceived with any kind of lighting or angles. There was a continuity. The reason why I came to Beverly Hills was because in Canada, we do have hair transplant doctors, of course. But with AlviArmani, I saw that they were on the forefront, and they really were the leaders in the hair transplant industry. So I decided, yeah, I'm willing to go anywhere as far as wherever they are, whether it's Dubai, LA, anywhere. So of course I came here in Beverly Hills, and I'm very happy I did, actually, for sure. From the moment I walked through those doors, it was literally roll out the red carpet kind of service. The doctors here are very compassionate, they listen very carefully, and they're very realistic with what you would like to have done. So I expressed myself and what I would like. They told me what was possible, and they guided me through the whole process and what they're going to do. And I haven't looked back since. It's been a walk in the park since, really. I'm here today to get another procedure in the crown area. Again, AlviArmani really is, in my opinion, the best in the industry. The results are fantastic. I do this for me. I'm someone who, if I lived in the woods as a writer and I went out once a year to get my groceries, I would have still done the hair transplants. It's for myself. I do these things to make myself feel good about me. So the reaction of my family and friends, my mother knew, some of my friends knew as well. A few months into, after doing the surgery, about 3-4 months later, as the hairs were coming in, I kept getting compliments. What did you do different? You know, did you lose weight? You're glowing. You seem a little different, Eric, you know? I had a little pep in my step. I felt like 7 feet tall. I carried myself a little differently as well. It added a little suave to my demeanor, and no one knew. I went to a hairdresser. They had no idea until I told them. So it's very natural looking and undetectable.